Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to use a proxy server in Windows 10. Now this video is assuming that you already have an address and port number in which you are looking to connect to. So first thing we are going to do is head over to our Start button, left click on that, and then left click on Settings. Left click on Network and Internet. At the bottom of the list here, left click on Proxy. Now if we scroll down here, if you're looking to manually set up a proxy, we want to swipe this little icon to the on position, so just left click on the icon, and then from here just insert the proxy address and the port number in which you're trying to connect to. And if there are any exceptions that you do not want to use a proxy with while browsing the internet, you would type them in right here. And if you're looking to not use the proxy server for a local internet connection, say within a company network or a network between a few different computers, then you could left click on here. And once you're done inserting the proxy address and port number, left click on Save, and that will save your changes. So I hope this tutorial helped you out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.